Are you facing an issue where your TV turns on, but there's no sound? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to help you fix this frustrating problem on your Roku device. Step 1. Unplug your TV for 60 seconds. Sometimes a simple power cycle can resolve various technical issues. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. This helps in resetting the internal components on your TV and can potentially fix the sound problem. Step 2. Check your audio connections. Ensure that all the cables connected to your TV to external devices, such as speakers or sound bars, are securely plugged in. Sometimes loose connections or improper connected cables can cause sound issues. Step 3. Verify your TV's audio settings. Using your TV remote, navigate to the audio settings menu. Ensure that the volume is not muted and that the audio output is set to the correct source, whether it's the TV speakers or an external audio device. Step 4. Check the volume settings on your external audio device. If you're using an external speakers or a soundbar, make sure that they're powered on and properly connected to your TV. Adjust the volume on both the TV and the external device to ensure they are not conflicting. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. Sometimes software glitches can cause audio issues. To fix this, you can try performing a factory reset on your TV. However, be aware that this will reset all your settings, so make sure to take note of any customized settings before proceeding. I hope these troubleshooting steps have been helpful to you. Remember, patience and persistence are key when it comes to resolving tech issues. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.